Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up, choose the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Tap on Close in Wait pop-up at the top. And finally, select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of BLACKVIEW. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like Contacts, tap on Allow a couple of times and then access your files. Either way, when you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect thanks to this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Download after Watch Ad. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide, close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!